Thank God he made up everything for me from the scratch and he never left me alone. And I'm happy today. Attracting 1,000 of people and make them subscribe to my channel seems impossible to me. I want to tell you one of the most important lessons I've learned since I've started creating content on YouTube. 2 years of working hard, searching, gaining experiences, failing, disappointments, getting so many loves and also hates. I'm a purposeful person, but it doesn't mean I didn't get tired or lost when everything went wrong. I've learned that chaos and confusion are inseparable parts from reaching a goal. This community is growing and we have many different people from different countries, and I love that. I love it when in this century that it's hard to find a good friend, you can have thousands of people who cheer you up with their supports and kindness in here. I felt different feelings during this time and I adore each of them. And for record, I'm an introverted person that having simple conversation is not what I get excited about. But being here, talk with you guys makes me excited the most. I remember that my first video that got like 1,000 views was a took off for me and I was shocked. I believed in that time I had more interesting videos, but this one went viral. First I felt glad, then I confused, and it took me so long to understand why that video went viral and how to make more videos like that. The second video that you guys like the most is daily routine video, which is having more views, and I want you to tell me your opinion and help me to create a better version of this video. Now, I want to thank you all for helping me to grow and gain another purpose I've been planning for. Now I have a couple of questions for you guys. First of all, I want you to introduce yourself. I want you to tell me where are you from, why you want to learn Persian. And the last question is that in 2024, what is your goal? If you don't want to say your goal, it's okay, but can you tell me if you have any plans for that? I want you to answer these questions because they're super important to me. I want to get to know you better. Actually, I know most of you guys because I always read your comments carefully. I know that there are a couple of people that they're always watching my videos and listen to them carefully. I hope that my videos help them to improve. And also, I found some new friends that I appreciate our friendships. Cannot believe this. I was so thrilled about every single comment that I got, and I used to read them out loud to my family. Actually, I'm grateful for having such a supportive family, as I know they're watching me. So I would say خیلی دوستتون دارم. ممنونم که تمام مدت هوام رو داشتید و بهم انرژی میدادید. Now it's time to talk about the biggest lesson I've learned. The biggest lesson I've learned here is that it's very important to have good interaction and communication with your content. Be strict about the content you create, about the information, not the quality exactly. Also, when you want to start a new business, many people have different opinions and criticize you, but many times they don't have the courage to do what you are doing. So no matter how strange and stupid your idea seems, come on and just start it. I wrote this code and put it somewhere that I can see it always. It says, changes are made by those who dare to follow their dreams. Now I have many ideas and dreams I want to reach out. This community has to grow more and more, and I will help you with all of my heart, and I hope you will support me as well. من خیلی خوشحالم از داشتن تک تکتون و امیدوارم هرچه سریعتر افراد بیشتری به ما ملحق بشن. مراقب خودتون باشید. به زودی میبینمتون و خدا نگهدار.